Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So today we are going to resume our discussion on scalars and vectors. Now I have already posted a lot of videos related to the basic concepts related to scalars and vectors, about the various laws of vector addition, properties of vectors, around 8 or 10 videos I think I have posted. So you can please check out those videos. Today we are going to solve some questions on vectors. Those concepts that we have studied, we will solve some questions, some problems on those concepts, related to those concepts. So I would recommend you to please watch those videos first and then watch these videos. Okay, so let us take the first question. The question says that two forces, okay, two equal forces, or actually two equal forces are at right angles, means 90 degree, and their resultant is 1414 Newton. We have to find the magnitude of each force. Okay, this is the objective. So in this question, this is a very basic question. We'll start with easy and basic questions, and then we will gradually move on to little bit difficult questions. Okay, so here, according to this question, the data which is given is that two equal forces, let us say the two forces, we represent it as P vector, they are at right angles, and Q vector, they are at right angles, and their resultant is equal to 1414 Newton, 1414 Newton. So here P is equal to Q. Now we know that the magnitude of the resultant vector, it is given by the formula R vector magnitude is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta, where theta, root over theta, is the angle between the two vectors. Now here theta is equal to 90 degree, cos theta is equal to cos 90 degree, which is equal to 0. So this term will become 0. Now we are left with R is equal to P square. Now Q is equal to P, so we can write Q as P square root over magnitude of R is equal to this 1414 Newton. magnitude of the resultant is 1414 Newton. Okay, so this is equal to 1414 Newton. Now, so we can now write this as root over of 2p square is equal to 1414 Newton, or we can write it as root 2p is equal to 1414. So P also, which is equal to Q, because both the forces are equal, Q is equal to 1414 divided by root 2. Now you can calculate it. You can use calculator. Let me use the calculator here to calculate. So this is equal to 1414 divided by root 2, 1000. Okay, 1000 Newton. So P, the magnitude of each force which is equal, this equal force is equal to 1000 Newton. So the two equal forces P equal to Q, they have magnitude equal to 1000 Newton. Okay, so this was a very basic and simple question. All we had to do was to put this formula, substitute the values, and this is a very important relation here, P is equal to Q, and we got the answer. Okay.